Today's going to be just a little bit different than every other day because Miles and the family are going to Disney World, and I have to take them down to the airport, drop them off. By the time I get back, it'll probably be past noon, and I'll probably get a short ride in the afternoon, but always looking forward to seeing him have an experience like Disney World, and I'm sure he's going to love it. He just turned 8. This will be a big deal for him. It'll be like me getting a new motorcycle. Not really. But anyway, that's going to be the plan for today. We don't know how it's going to play out. The weather's supposed to be nice. The last couple days we've had very high winds. I don't know what that's all about. I wish I had a sailboat. Anyway, we'll see how this day plays out. And if you're a regular follower of my channel, I hope you enjoyed that little snippet of a video I put up yesterday. I found all those old pictures out on the computer in a spot I didn't have them filed correctly, and it was a lot of good memories there of the old Ferrari motorcycles. Now that the red one is gone, we still have the memories. And I guess that's the point where every one of these bikes has a history, an adventure. Every one of them is just a little bit different, and that's why I have what I call a small collection. I like to have a different riding experience as often as possible, and this collection seems to really suit my needs. And of course there's people that collect all of one brand or one style or one size or one something, but I always think when I come out to the garage in the morning, I look around and I say, boy, how lucky can a boy be? I never, when I started this collection many years ago, I really never knew I'd be this lucky and this successful, and having, at this point in time, just have an experience every day that I go for a ride. It's just a little different than the day before. And today, going to Newark Airport, always an experience unto itself. So I also found Luciano wanted to use the Vance & Hines muffler. We have a spare one that he wants to put that on one of his motorcycles. I cleaned it up for him a little bit. He's going to be by later, either today or tomorrow, to pick it up. I don't know when. And Karen's garden just keeps getting nicer by the day as things come into full bloom. We have really enjoyed this. We've enjoyed every minute of it. Every minute of it has been wonderful. So you're going to Disney World today. Wow, Disney World. You better put shoes on if you're going to Disney World. How lucky can a boy be? This is going to be, he's 8 years old. Part of his birthday present is they're loading up the car now. They go to Disney World. Where there's nothing more fun than taking somebody to the airport. Oh my God, the traffic, the lines. I need a nice ride now to calm my nerves. I have to get back to that airport. I really need it. I need either a quart of vodka or a ride on the FZR. I think I'll take a ride on the FZR. And it looks like it's going to be an absolutely beautiful afternoon. This is the latest we've ever gone for a ride. But even a short ride is better than no ride. Disney World today. We're here. We had a nice, short ride, but a nice ride. As always, the FZR is always entertaining to ride. Always, and that radar detector is getting well used. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and go to Disney World. Take your grandchildren to Disney World. Thanks for watching.